Hi everyone, it's Oscar here with ISN Realty, and I'm with MGI Granite and Countertops. So they have some amazing products in their line, and we're gonna go over a few of them for your next renovation. So one of the most popular granite countertops here in San Antonio that I've seen in most properties is this one right here. It's a Valle Nevado, and it's a granite type, right? One of my personal favorites is this one right here, Napoli White and Dallas White. So the reason I like these two is because it has a touch of purple and red in them, as well as some yellow coloring. It has white and a little bit of black in there, and it makes for a very perfect countertop. Over to the quartz section of the shop here. These two are some of the popular ones here in San Antonio, Texas. But one of my actual favorite ones is going to be this slate mist if you're looking for a great color. Also the Sereno Bianco. It's pretty neat. And one of my favorites that is not in that area there is this one right here, the Port Rush. So it has a little bit of blue in there, it has some gold, and it does for a pretty cool quartz countertop.